do a walkthrough here. It's not the first day here, but it's the first day I remembered to do the walkthrough. So we do have our luggage in the room. Got quite a few clothes hangers in here actually, so that's quite good. Little room for shoes, obviously ironing board, iron, safe, little kitchen area, or little sink area for your toiletries, bathroom, little undercarriage wash, shower. No plug for the tub, but I'm sure you could plug it with something to have a bath. And then walking into the main area, pretty much a typical room. We have king size bed, telephone, dresser on each side. Got a little swan from the cleaning ladies. Couple lights. Everything here is 220, guys. So if you're coming here, you can still plug in the 2 prongs, but this is kind of the adapter you're going to need to come here to travel, just to make sure all your safe electronics. TV. There's a fridge in here. Wasn't stocked with anything when we came in, but we've brought some stuff from home. A little desk here if you have to do some work from Cuba, and a nice balcony. We technically have an oceanfront view, but I guess it is oceanfront. You can see the ocean from here. It's actually a really nice balcony. You can see everything. That's the disco right there at night. It's pretty cool. They had a Michael Jackson show last night. We could sit on our balcony and watch it. There's a bar right there where you can get some drinks for the live entertainment. Big pool, everything like that. So yeah, the only problems we had is our balcony window doesn't close properly, so we could hear all the entertainment trying to take a nap, but that was our first day, so we did try to take an early nap, which is not normal. So yeah, that's the room. It's pretty nice.